Well. Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beards Diaries. Now, before we jump into the topic at hand, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for the comments, feedback, suggestions, video ideas. They are always appreciated, so thank you. If you do have Instagram, feel free to look me up. It's a lot easier for me to get to know you as opposed to just seeing the comments, even though, I mean, the comments are appreciated, but I get to put a name to a face, so to speak. My handle on Instagram is @DansBeard, so feel free to drop me a line, and yeah, we can link up there. Now, for the topic at hand, the mustache. Specifically, we're gonna be going into detail about trimming the mustache. However, priority number one is always moisturizing and protecting your beard and mustache. What I mean by this is making sure that you're shampooing and conditioning in addition to using beard oils and beard balms. In regard to my recommendations or preferences, I've been using the Beard Struggle. However, you don't have to use this brand. This is what I have found that suits me best. And specifically, we have daytime elixir and nighttime elixir, in addition to a beard balm, which we're gonna be using this in a bit for styling purposes. And they also have shampoos, conditioners, and scissors and brushes. It's pretty much a one-stop shop for your beard and mustache. Now let's get into trimming. Number one, you want to wash your mustache and beard and then comb dry it or brush dry it. And you wanna make sure that it is completely dry, because if it's wet and you go to start trimming, you might take off a lot more than you intended once the beard and mustache dry. So make sure that it's dry before you trim. And as far as the brush that I use to brush out my mustache and beard, again, it's a Beard Struggle product. I think it's called the Viking brush. And you just merely go ahead and brush it exactly how you want to have your mustache set. Now, the next step, the scary part. Not really, it's not that scary. We are going to be actually trimming the mustache now. A couple things to take into consideration is make sure that you are looking straight forward and that you have a neutral face. And what I mean by a neutral face is make sure that you're not making any abnormal expressions, because then it's gonna alter how your mustache is actually lined up. Straightforward and with a neutral expression on your face. Once again, I am using a Beard Struggle product. These are the scissors that come in the trimming kit. Once I start trimming, I'm going to be switching to a voiceover, because I want to make sure that my mustache is laying nice and flat like it normally would be. So I apologize for the voiceover that's about to happen. But I'm just doing it to protect the mustache and the beard. Please forgive me.
Okay, remember, work from the middle towards one side, then to the other side, and then back to the middle. Make sure to look straight ahead and maintain a neutral face to ensure that you get a smooth, even line. All right, we're looking good. Time to trim for length. Go ahead and comb through your stash and cut the hair to a desired length that's on the outside of the comb. Trim conservatively. If you're using an electric trimmer, move from a longer to shorter guide as you work through. You can always trim off more, but you can't add it back after you've clipped it. Alrighty, comb through, brush through, whichever you have readily available. Make sure that you haven't missed any hairs, and you're pretty much done with the trimming part of it. It's time to style the beard. Right here I have the Beard Struggle Beard Balm. Going to go ahead and style away.
Alrighty, that'll do it. I hope you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.